So one of the things you can do is work around with the Oil Paint and Solarize option inside a Photopea. So in order to do that, first of all, you need to go around onto the filter menu right here and then go around over here onto Stylize. And over here you can see that Oil Paint is an option. So once you go around onto Oil Paint right here, you can go around and change around the radius, as you can see right here, just like this, and change around the cleanliness of the Oil Paint as well. And it simulates an Oil Paint, as you can see right here, just like this. You can also go ahead and work around with the scale, as you can see right here, and then work around with bristle details and work around with shine option right here as well. You can even go ahead and change around the angle right here, just like this, and work around with the lighting as well. And that is how you can go around and utilize the Oil Paint effect right here, just like this on the image, and it looks like oil painting. So now let me just go around back right here and then go to filter, and then under the stylize right here, solarize is another option right here. So solarize actually goes around and takes the bright spot and darkens it out, as you can see right here. So you get an effect like this. So let me just go around and press Ctrl Z right here and then go to stylize right here, just like this. Let's apply out the Oil Paint right here, just like this, and change around the radius and increase out the scale right here. And now you can go ahead on to, let's say, stylize and then utilize solarize right here, and both of the effects can be applied at the same time, as you can see, and this is the result that you get, as you can see, just like this. So that is how you can apply Oil Paint and Solarize inside a Photopea. So hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share and subscribe.